Hi, everyone. Well, we all recognize the word social selling, right? If you Google it, says social selling is the modern art to develop meaningful relationships with potential customers. That's true. But for us, social selling is more than that. We participate since many, many years at the various ETOA events. Not only the great business results we achieved there remained in our memories, but the great social moments after the events. The get-together moments are priceless. And after this COVID, I believe we all recognize we miss them and we miss each other.
Thank you, Ziga. Well, let me add to your words that ETOA is very important for our industry. With the great events, the good insights, they are fundamental for our business. So Tom, thank you and your team for all the hard work over the last years. Let's not forget the pioneers from the past, like Nick Greenfield. Look forward to seeing you all face to face in one of the ETOA events very soon. For now, keep healthy, stay positive, and see the bright horizon.